ladies and gentlemen, so far what we've got, as you can see, we've got one head on here, and we're getting ready to pop the other one on here, and all we've done is clean the piston tops and
really
clean up any kind of gasket material and the water pump gasket material here on the front, and we're just putting everything back together. So we're in assembly mode. All right, so let's proceed. And some of this might we do time lapse because it might get a little boring, but at least you'll see what we got going on. All right, and you'll see the FAST LSXR intake going on. We're just going to lay it on here first because we want to get a gauge for where the coil pack is going to go back here on the firewall. And we have yet to move the fuel pressure and the gauge here and get it back over here to thin. So that's what we're doing. All right, enjoy.
Yeah, no,
there's no way you can.
I'm gonna literally go right underneath this.
Can you not grab it from up here?
Yeah, it's nothing to be in the way. It's easier.
Oh, here, look, this. Hey, don't worry about it. This crowbar might be in the way. And by the way, this is a special engine rolling bar for like an adjuster. Yeah. And you know, special order.
Definitely special order.
Yeah, totally special order.
Hey, see?
Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's plenty room. Plenty room.
Okay, knock yourself out. Okay.
Well, I'm trying not to.
Don't be afraid to hurry up.
Yeah. Okay, that's on the notch.
And lower one's on the notch.
Yep, we're on.
Okay, go ahead and throw your bolts in.
Okay, and my bolts are where?
Right there in the sleeve on the fender.
Oh, look at you, getting all orderly like.
Well, because I don't want shit rolling off and landing on me.
Two of the shorties and then all the small ones. Oh. You will always be ready to.
You know, the whole purpose of the lift is so that we don't have to get on the ground.
Oh, look at this. A little bit of autumn here. Remember, bolts
That goes
connected?
underneath the intake.
Okay, bolts were connected there?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, one goes to the booster, the other one's their intake pressure.
Gotcha. Roger.
Sensor.
Kind of refinagling these wires here a little bit, make sure we're good.
That's another good stuff.
All right. Make sure that's out of the way. All right, the rest of the bolts from where did you say? The box?
No, right here.
Right here. Oh, okay.
Once again, put them up out of the way so I don't hit me.
Nothing's rolling down on you.
Exactly. And then of course if you're holding something up to suspend it and things hit you in the face and you're like, you just have to deal with the pain.
Yeah, well,
because you can't let go.
I did that back in the day so many times. We're talking, you know, 1975, 76.
Once again, hard pass.
Hard pass. I mean, you're on a grass field with jack stands and, you know, the little pump up hydraulic jacks and stuff.
Bubble jacks.
Get the car up in the air and then throw the transmission on your chest and roll yourself in the car.
I've done that way too many times. Idiot. So yeah, I hear you. You got them shorties in the ends too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes. Be all right.
Yeah. There you go. Yep. Yeah.
Are you ready? Are you
Showing it?
ready?
Okay.
Yep.
Keep coming, keep going. I think you might be ready to rock right there.
I think that's it.
Okay.
I think that's where she goes. Okay, and this, we need to snake up out of the way.
Yeah, I've got all this stuff tucked up out of the way.
So yeah, once I get these fittings on here,
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm gonna have. Ooh, that is tight under there for the steam vent.
Yeah. You almost
snake
gonna
it down
have to,
below here.
yeah, you're gonna have to do a drop.
Right. Or come up over the top, but
I mean, that's quite the.
I think I can go underneath right
Yeah, I think it'll be fine.
here. Yeah. And then
Maybe you
come
should
right
just
in
pull the throttle body off then. That way you can get more room
there. Right.
and see what you're doing.
Right. Yeah.
But definitely snug up the top.
Yeah, that's staying there now.
Yeah.
So we leave this in here, get this bolted up, I'll pull the throttle body off and then do the steam vent.
Yeah. I think you got. Oh yeah, you got plenty. It's almost a full inch under there.
Yeah.
Maybe
Right through here?
No, right here. Right along inside that. Along.
And basically I want to show people what I had to deal with. So here's the problem, guys. I don't know if I can get this back over there, but that, sorry, get this in play here. Yeah, here we go. So this goes right on there, right? Well, this piece right here, that little fitting part right there, hits right up against, where is it? That notch right there. There's a little channel right there to run a steam vent, but not this one. This part would press down, but this part right here would hit right against that notch, and that's why it's not working. So I'm going to take these fittings out. I'll set you back up here so I can show you. All right, guys, so continuation of getting the manifold in. What we've done so far is getting the ejectors hooked up and we're plugged in, but we have yet to tie all the wires down. But everything is bolted in tight. Fuel system is now sealed and hooked up. So kind of show you quickly what we got there. And across the back. And we have moved the pressure regulator now over here to the fender and got the 2 feeds going over there. So this one comes in, fills the fuel rail, comes across here, goes back out, comes back across there into the fuel regulator here. This one, I think it is. Yeah, to that one. And then the return is this one going back to the gas tank. So here's what I had to do down here with this steam vent. And you remember I was telling you guys, let me see if I can zoom this in here. Look how close that is right there.
Here, show them.
So that's what I'm talking about, how close that is right
before
there.
and after.
Yeah. So
Even though that's one for the back, just the same concept.
this is what was in there. So you can see there. And it's this fitting that hit up against that bump right there. See what I'm talking about? So I'll put a 90 in there. And then Lance shaved the back side of the 90 off. So you can probably fit a paper between there, maybe even not.
Not a postcard.
Yeah, not a postcard. And then adapter on here for, I got a brake line fitting, brake line rather, and then the compression fittings for that. And we ran it all the way across there. So let me zoom it back out. So that comes across there, goes underneath the intake manifold onto this side. And same deal, compression fitting, quarter NPI, I think is what those are, and fit right in there. All right, so that's what I got. Next steps is putting throttle body on and mounting the new radiator fan.
Fan left. Over here, to your left.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
So you had to upgrade.
Yeah, and that's the fan that's going on there. All right, more to come. We're about to start it up soon. Be right back.